Hi everybody, hope you're all okay. I'm wondering today how long it's going to be before we meet, but hopefully not too much longer. So today I've got a wee project for you, and the first thing I want you to do is to make a shape of a letter. It can be your own initial, or you can pick a different one. If you've got a sort of difficult letter like S, you might not want to do that. I'm lucky, I'm L, so I cut out my L, drew it first and then cut it out from card, and it's quite a good basic shape. If you don't have anything that you could, like a sharp blade to cut it out with, you can just draw it on a page, but it's actually going to make things easier for you if you can cut it out. So that's the first thing to do. It doesn't matter, you can be a bit of a cereal box or whatever. So that's the first thing to do. And then hopefully you've got loads of pages and papers and textures and colours from the previous weeks. So then I just want you to cut them up just into random shapes. You can tear them like this one. I mean, if you want, you can do them all exactly the same shape, or I've just done all kinds of different ones. What I did really was I thought, oh, I like that bit of that texture or that pattern. I'm going to take that bit off. So get your collection and your bits of cut up paper, get your letter, and then just start to lay them down on the letter and move them about until you have something that you like. Now it doesn't matter if you glue things down and they're kind of sticking out like that, because once you've got it all laid down and all glued on, turn it over and just trim off all those excess bits from when you were laying it down. That's how I did it, and it kind of made sense. So here is my letter finished, and then I thought I would make it a bit more interesting. So I'm going to eventually, well actually I'll just do it now. I'm going to glue it to this page. Oops, I've just splattered glue everywhere. Don't really want that. So here we have it stuck on with a little bit of art that I had previously created. So there you go, it's a little bit of fun, and I could, if you want to, you could do this on a card like that, or obviously not with the L cut out, and you could send it to somebody, or you could just use it as a piece of artwork for your wall. It's nice and cheery. Okay, enjoy, bye.